The European Union called on Wednesday for tensions over U.S. House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi's visit to Taiwan to be resolved through dialogue, and for communication channels with China to be kept open to avoid miscalculation. The EU has an interest in preserving peace and the status quo in the Taiwan Strait, a spokesperson for the 27-nation bloc said. On the other side, Taiwan President thanked visiting U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi for her concrete actions to support Taiwan at this critical moment and said the island will not back down in the face of heightened military threats. The pair met in Taipei on Wednesday as part of Pelosi's visit to the island, which has drawn fierce criticism from China, and has prompted Beijing to announce a raft of military exercises and summon the U.S. ambassador. China's foreign ministry, early on Wednesday, lodged a protest with U.S. Ambassador Nicholas Burns over the unannounced visit by Pelosi to Taiwan, which Beijing calls its breakaway province.